What's up, guys? In today's quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to find your sitemap if using WordPress and how to submit it in Google Search Console to ensure that your website is crawled and indexed by Google so it can show up in the search results. I'm Hunter, and this is Expat Income, where I talk about different ways to make money online and from around the world. I usually do tutorials like this, as well as comprehensive case study experiments to see which income opportunities work best. If that kind of content sounds interesting to you, consider subscribing to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be, of course, looking at how to submit a sitemap, which is an aspect of technical SEO. So if you have a website that you want to be found by Google and shown in the Google search results, such as a blog or business website or maybe an e-commerce store, this tutorial is going to show you how to better ensure Google is able to find and index your website so it appears in the Google search results. So before we get started, what is an XML sitemap? Well, it's basically just the data of your website. So it encompasses all the pages on your website that you want to be indexed by Google. So in your XML sitemap, you can specify which of your web pages are important and signal to search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, what pages you would like to see showing up in their search results. So here I have a website that was not showing up in Google search results. So I added it to the Google Search Console to try to get it to get indexed by Google, and Google is still not showing it in the search results. As you can see, 0 impressions. When I search the site here, it's still showing up with nothing showing up in Google. So what I need to do is submit my XML sitemap now to get Google to have, or improve my chances that Google is going to start ranking the website on the Google search result pages, right? And by submitting the sitemap, it's pretty much guaranteed I'm going to show up now. It's in some capacity. So that's better than how it's currently going with 0, right? We can look down here and see, just to confirm, that indeed there are 4 pages not indexed and 0 page indexed, unfortunately. So Google doesn't really know what to do with this site yet, but I'm going to submit the sitemap so they have a better understanding of my website, and they're going to help me get it, showing on their search result pages. So to get the website with WordPress, you can go here. You can type in your website name. So mine is crystalllakeelectrician.com. Then I would say /sitemap_index.xml. As you can see, I'm using the Yoast SEO plugin, so Yoast generated this sitemap for me. And one thing to know is if you're using a content management system like WordPress, Wix, something like that, those are usually going to generate an XML sitemap for you, fortunately. So yeah, I, of course, am using WordPress, and this is my XML sitemap. So now all I have to do is take my XML sitemap and come over here to my Google Search Console with my website and come to sitemap. And I'm going to just say add new sitemap and submit. And there we go, sitemap submitted successfully. So now they are telling me that they could not fetch. So yeah, guys, apparently, as you can see here, just a second, yeah, this couldn't fetch status. Apparently is normal that it shows up like that, and the sitemap, Google should still be able to receive the sitemap and get these pages indexed within the next few days to upwards of a couple of weeks. Up to 2 weeks is what the sentiment of most people are saying it takes for this. So I can let you guys know in the description below how long it took this specific website to get indexed after submitting the sitemap. But yeah, guys, that's it. Very easy. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions or suggestions, go ahead and direct them towards the comments section of this video. If you guys got value out of this video, please drop a like. It really helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm. And if not, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.